To create contours in 12D, I'm going to use the Tins menu, Contour, and Contour Smooth and Label. Firstly, I want to type in a function name, and I'm going to type in Contour Survey Tin. I'm going to select the tin, which is my survey tin, to contour, and then I can come in and set the defaults that I want for the contours. So the model, I'm going to type in here Contour Survey Tin 1 meter, as they're going to be 1 meter contours. So there is my contour increment of 1 meter. Colour, I'm going to select grey. And if we move across to the Major Contours tab, I'm going to again type in a model name. So Contour Survey Tin and 5 meters, as again these will be 5 meter contour intervals. I'm going to leave the colour as magenta and move to the Range tab. I'm going to leave this for a moment. I'll come back and explain this one shortly. The Labels tab. Now again here we can untick if we do not wish contour labels to be created. But in this instance I do. Label major contours only. I'm also going to tick this tick box so that only the major contours are labelled. Again, here is a model name, Contour Survey Tin Labels. Then we get asked for the label method. I'm going to use the one at the bottom here, line removal and centered facing uphill. We'll have a look at the rest of these shortly. Decimal places. I'm going to put in 1, and then I can select my text style data. And if you watched the previous video, we had created a contour label 2.5 text style, and that's the one I'm going to use here. Select that. We can type in here a start distance and a separation distance, so that additional labels get created at those distances. So I might type in 100 meters. There's also a tick box here to label the start and end of the contours. And if I go process now, it says that the function has been run, and now when looking under the plus button, I now have 3 new models. Contour Survey Tin 1 meter, 5 meter and labels. And if I turn those on, we can see that the contours have been created. And as I zoom in here, you'll start to see the red text come available and seeing that the contour strings have been created. I'm going to use the string inquire, the F2 button, to come in and check and highlight one of the contour strings. And you can see here that the strings have been created. They are superstrings. They're like a 2D string, so they have X, Y and a constant height.